Hi, let's solve this question. Basically, your question is how much copper can be obtained from 100 gram of copper sulfate. Okay, so basically, you have given what copper sulfate, and you have asked about how many much copper you can obtain from copper sulfate. Okay, so basically, we are heating or doing anything to copper sulfate, and we are getting copper from copper sulfate. Okay, so let's see how we will solve. Okay, so basically we will use here unitary method. What is unitary method? Like if you get 10 chocolates in 5 rupees, so how many chocolate you will get in 1 rupee? 5 by 10 means 1 by 2. So how much chocolate you will get in 50 rupees? So how much chocolate you will get, how, or you can say 50 chocolates you will get in 5 by 10 into 50, that is 25, means in 25 rupees you will get 50 chocolates. So basically this is your unitary method. Or we can say that in the easy method that in 4 rupees we get 2 apple. Okay, so in 1 rupees how much we get? 2 by 4. Or in 10 rupees we will get how much? 2 by 4 into 10, that is 20 by 4, means in 10 rupees you will get 5 apple. So this is basically unitary method. Okay, so let's calculate the mass of copper sulfate. As we will calculate, the mass of copper is 63.5 plus mass of sulfur is basically what? 32, and mass of oxygen is 16 into 4. When you add all these values you will get 159.5 gram. Okay, and the mass of copper is basically your 63.5 gram. Okay, don't bother about what products are you are getting here. Okay, because we have not asked about these products. Okay, so let's start solving. So right now here you can say that 159.5 gram of what? Copper sulfate gives 63 point what? 5 gram of copper. Okay, so in 1 gram of copper sulfate will give 63.5 by 159.5 gram of copper. So 100 gram of copper sulfate will give you 63.159.5 into 100 gram of copper. So this is your answer. Basically you can divide this value. Okay, so after dividing you will get some value. Okay, so that will be your answer. We can divide here. Let's see, like 5 6 5 1 is 5, and after that 13, 5 to 10, and 5 5 is 125, sorry 35 na, so 5 7 is 35. Okay, 127, and here 5 3 is 15, and 5 1 is 5, and you will get 319. 7 plus 2 9 1 10. This will be not divided by 3. 9 1 10, 3 13, 13 will also not divided by 3. So we have to just multiply this value 12700 and divide by 319. What we will get? It will be 3 4 12 na? So you will get around 39.8. Yeah, it will divide by 3. Okay, so we will get the value of 39.8 gram of copper. Means 100 gram of copper sulfate will give 39.8 gram of copper. Okay, this is basically very simple concept. Okay, so this is called what? Unitary method, and by using this method you can solve around every question of mole concept. Okay, mole concept becomes very easy when you know what? Unitary method. Okay, means as we discussed earlier. Okay, this thing. So thank you.